Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you're all well, and I've literally received a call from the mechanic saying, listen, we've started work on your car. So I'm going to tell you, I've not gone for a frank bill, I've gone for a simple K20 block in there. So we're going to head over to the garage and see where we are with this vehicle. Obviously it's not going to be one full video where everything's going to get done. It's going to take its time, so let's see how we get on, guys. But yeah, we're starting the engine build. Let's go.
Came back with a click clack, and a tick, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Right, so we're back. Subframe is down. Obviously the car is on the ramp. Yeah, purple bonnet, have a look at that. Yeah, get them put on properly. Right, so obviously we figured out that somebody's already had a go at the gearbox, and we're gonna drop the engine. The brake discs need doing as well, so hopefully that will get done. The whole car will obviously be under sealed as well, so you know, let's see what happens. We've got I'd say, yeah, a decent size exhaust as well, so let's see. Decent tires as well, so let's see what happens and how we get on. We've got an engine that's in the boot, so yeah, let's get it done. I told you, baby, we're not messing around here. Right, so there's the old engine and there's the new engine. Well, new, not new, but you know what I mean. So we have put a new clutch on as well. Not messing about, are we? New clutch, brake disc, pads, under seal, the lot is getting done. So yeah, obviously I've gone for a normal K20. I just want the car up and running, and then obviously we'll go from there, see what we do. But yeah, this is where we're at. It is quite late at night, but this is how we do. What are we looking at? Oh, look at that. Wow, fancy. There's a gearbox as well. Somebody has obviously fiddled about with the gearbox before, opened it up, or God knows done what with it. But yeah, now it's just a matter of obviously getting everything done and then getting it up, putting everything back together and starting it up. We'll go from there. So obviously it's late at night, still working on this engine. We need to change the master cylinder and also the slave cylinder, so there's no brake fluid. Obviously we've got, let's see if I can get the light on and show you, braided lines. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Obviously it's still not up and running, there's no clutch as well, so we're trying to get that sorted. This car has been problems, there's a lot of things missing, so let's see how it goes. So the problem we were having is obviously it's leaking from there, and that is obviously the pipe that goes all the way around into there. There we go, this is the new one, the braided line. So yeah, believe it or not, the original pipe, there's only one on eBay for £100. It's a very expensive engine swap, this, and we've still got a long way to go. But like I said, the engine's in, hopefully we can get there slowly but surely. Late nights, it's got to be done. We want this car on the road. But it still needs bleeding. Don't sound too bad as well. Right, so it's all done. Everything's been put back together, but we're not finished there. So we finally got the clutch done, put brake fluid in as well. running okay for now. Still got a few bits on Bob still to do, so let's see. Let's keep going. We've still got to put the skirt on, so that's gonna go on now as well. Right, so the Type R is home, literally. Here we are. It's still obviously making the sound. The revs are still bouncing up and down, as we can see. Engine management lights on as well, but she does sound really nice, I've got to say. Now, if that doesn't bring a smile on your face, God knows what does, but it certainly brings a smile on my face. We have the ST here as well, but Type R, it's about the Type R. So yeah, there's a few more things that need doing. It's missing a drop link, it's also missing the front anti-roll bar, a front mount is broken as well, so that needs doing. Side skirt needs going on. So yeah, I bought it back for now. It is gonna go back in, and we are gonna get it all done, and it won't be looking like this, which is an absolute mess. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead in the video there, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Like I said, I will do a sit down video on this vehicle and everything that went wrong, all the parts that I bought for it, and all of that. But for now, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys like the video. Take care, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you soon.